Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make the Lychee Martini. Elegant, balanced. It is incredibly sweet, but it's not too sweet, like candy is what it is. Very smooth, very stiff, very alcohol forward. Don't forget, guys, if you are liking these drinks and these recipes and all these videos, definitely give us a like. It's gonna really help the channel. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, so definitely subscribe also, and that way you will never miss one of these amazing videos. There's lots of variations of the Lychee Martini. It's gone as far as being made with vodka, like we're going to make today, all the way to being made with fresh lychees, lychee juice, and soju. It's not really a drink that has a base spirit. It's a drink that personifies or encapsulates a time and place in history, which is the 2000s. I'm gonna make you one, which is a stirred down version, akin to a very normal martini. And then I'm gonna do you one with a puree, which is more akin to like a pineapple martini or a fruit martini. So first up, I'm gonna start by making the puree. This puree is a super simple life hack. This is a very easy way to make purees for your cocktails at home, and that is the blender technique of blending tinned fruits. So what we've got here is one whole tin of tinned lychees. So I'm gonna save two, because I'm gonna use those as garnish, and I'm gonna pour the rest in. These lychees in a tin, they're already in lychee juice, which is slightly sweetened. We've got one whole tin there, just for a little bit of added body. I'm gonna drop in 50 mils of simple syrup to one tin of lychees. Stick that on. All we wanna do is blend till smooth. Next up, take a little jug, and then just to make sure, we're gonna run this directly through a sieve, just to make sure we got no bits of lychee. I'm not gonna strain it all, because we're gonna be here all day. We only need about that much to make the drink, and now we're gonna make our drinks. We're gonna have shaken here, stirred right here. Both drinks require 45 ml of Absolut Vodka. Next up, this is Lychee Liqueur. We're gonna want 15 ml going into the stirred drink, like so. And that one's done. It's already finished. We're also now gonna add 10 ml of the Lychee Liqueur, just to boost those lychee flavors in this one. But we also are going to add 20 ml of our Lychee Purée, which is gonna add more body and more fruitiness and more true to fruit flavor of the lychee. We're also gonna sour this. So we're gonna add 20 ml lemon juice. Don't forget, we've got that puree in there, which is slightly sweet. So we're only gonna want around 15 ml of our sugar syrup, simple syrup, 1-to-1. You know how to make it, check our simple syrup video. And these are our drinks pretty much done. First up, we're gonna stir this. So, because I'm making these simultaneously, I'm gonna let this one sit. I will get to stirring this eventually, but I don't wanna aggravate it too much because I'm gonna take some time to shake this one nice and well. So we're gonna give this a nice shake. But don't give it a full shake. I'm only gonna shake it like halfway because now I wanna prep this. Give this a real good stir. You can do it one-handed. Do it this-handed. Can't do it. 100% left-handed, guys. Don't forget, you know how to taste these drinks by now. Super sweet. Just gonna get my glassware. So, we've got two beautiful glasses here. We've got our beautiful lychee stirred down martini here. Super simple, it's only 2 ingredients. I'm gonna pour that directly into here because this one is ready to go. Next up, we're gonna pick up this, give it the last shake. Just to make sure it's nice and frothy once you get it going. You've got that puree, you've shaken it hard, we've got some ice chips in there. We don't want them floating around in our glass. We've got our garnish. We're gonna go double gold, straight through, making it look kind of like that traditional olive. Throw that directly in, and same here. throw that directly in. If you really want to elevate these a little bit more, you can always just give them both a zest and discard. No need to put it in the drink, but get those oils on top, just enhances it a little bit more. And there we have it, guys. 2 versions of a Lychee Martini. This one, very sweet, very balanced. It's not a stiff drink like this. Although this is very alcohol forward, it's a version of a sour. It's a little bit more approachable. Definitely the easier one to drink. If you like this one, check out the stiff drinks playlist. But if you like this one, go directly to our fruity drinks playlist. Links in the description, guys, don't forget. You know the drinks, right? If you like it, you've made it correct. If you don't like it, twist it. That's it. The Lychee Martini, guys. Thank you.